ask that they're sleeping hungry, because they ask that their justice has to be delivered. That is why that William Ruto ensured that his goons, who are the police in name, kill these young youths. That is why we are here. Your Excellencies, I stand here as a leader. I stand here as a young man. I stand here as a young man who has been in this country, who Baba Raila Amolo Odinga, who Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta, you told us that this country has democracy. But this country today is being led by hypocrisy. There is no democracy, but we are being led by hypocrisy. A president who goes on a vehicle and announces and actually pampers the police for killing the citizens, the same citizens that is leading. That is not a president, but that is a goon. Don't refer to us as goons as you have done. We are not goons. The young youths outside here are not goons. They are youths who are in this country, who have ensured they have a life, but you cannot refer to the young people who have gotten outside to demonstrate and to ensure that their rights have been done. You are telling them they are youths. We are not youth, Mr. President, and your day is going to come. One day you are going to pay for the blood of Kenyans, for the young youth here that are sitting here. Mr. President, I want to ask you, I've seen a child here who is 7 years or 6 years. You have said that that child is also a goon. Where was that child demonstrating? What are you trying to plant in that child? When that child grows up, he will have scars of actually a tear gas. That child will wake up one day and that child will show the Kenyan people that you tear gassed him when he was young. Mr. President, I want to tell you today, as we stand here, you are going to hand us down, you are going to kill us, the young people, but we are telling you, you are not going to kill the spirit. The spirit that we have is not going to die. We are going to stand with that spirit to ensure that what Baba Raila Amolo Odinga started, what Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta left, this young youth president, these young youths, Mr. Ruto, they don't need to be killed. They need jobs. Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta left kazi kwa vijana. Can you give these young people jobs? They are not going to demonstrate. Can you give them jobs? They are going not to demonstrate. Can you ensure that life is cheap? They are not going to demonstrate. On those few remarks for the young